So hello guys, welcome to another video. So as we have discussed what all the types of constraint, but I thought before moving to the further more topics, I wanted to discuss this topic, and there is one more topic. So there is something called as composite primary key. The thing happens is that when single primary key is not enough to satisfy the uniqueness in our table, we need a composite primary key. So the composite primary key is a combination of two columns where they both will be unique, and the column they are referencing to will be also unique. For example, there will be employee ID 1, and I have given example here also. Employee data can have uniqueness with a composite primary key of employee ID and employee phone number. So I have a EMP database, and in EMP database I have a employee ID and I have an employee phone number. So employee ID is already a primary key, but it is not doing the satisfying me that there is a uniqueness. For example, I'm creating a scenario. I am not satisfied with employee ID for creating uniqueness. So I will make it a composite primary key by passing as one more column as EMP phone number. So here what will happen, as we all know, every employee will have its own different number. So there will be a pattern of uniqueness here because of these two columns, and which will make us identify the whole row unique, making the whole data unique, or our whole row created getting unique. So composite primary key is created to have some uniqueness with combined two or more columns. See, mostly two columns are combined. More columns can be combined, but mostly for practice purposes two columns are combined. So let's hop into our Visual Studio. So here I will create a table. I wanted to keep this video short. Create table EMP. I'll quickly create I will create it as a EMP ID integer. See, I'm not passing it here as anything, a primary key, anything. I'll create a EMP name, which is a varchar 20. I will create a EMP phone. So this will be the EMP phone number here, and now I'll pass a constraint here. So the thing is that as we have to pass for both of the columns, so I'm doing this at the end of my code. So here I kind of want, you can give pk comma emp id comma emp phone number, or you can give cpk comma emp id underscore emp phone, so that you can know, even if tomorrow if an error comes because of this constraint while you are inserting a value and the value doesn't satisfy this constraint, so you will know what, because of which constraint you are getting an error. So here I will create a primary key, and inside these brackets I'll pass the column name as emp id and emp phone. So this is how you can create it successfully. So I saw the previous video and I saw there wasn't enough magnification for you to see the code, so I zoomed in little, so you can see command completed successfully, and there you can also see the table is getting created. So this is how you can create a composite primary key when your single primary key failed to provide uniqueness to you. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.